here we have,
Audrey Goriseta of PTV Channel 4, Rise and Shine Pilipinas.
wow,
And Fifi from PTV as well.
wow, two very prestigious people. And once again, congratulations po for achieving our prestigious awards tonight. And you both look very stunning po tonight. And may
Oh,
questions,
really?
may questions lang naman po ako. How are you feeling tonight knowing that you are one of the prestigious awards, receiving this prestigious award?
Honored, of course. As always, honored at inspired.
Ako grateful ako sa La Visual sa pagkilala ito. I think this is the 10th time na kilala nila ako. And many times ang morning show namin. Salamat po.
This award is a testament to what's your health and your journey. What has been the greatest motivation towards your journey po?
Well, favorite is a public service, ano, give valuable information sa ating mga countrymen. So, yun lang. Importante yung nagagamit yung information na binibigay namin ito naman.
Tama.
Ako inspirasyon ko, ikaw. Gabi ka. Sure. Inspirasyon ko yung mga #1 fans na nagsusuporta sa atin. Si Tristan Constantino, si Joe Marasigan, yan lagi sumusuporta sa atin dahil sa kanila.
Do you have any messages towards our viewers, especially to our fans po, like you've said po?
Well, kung gusto niyo ng mga information na magagamit niyo sa pang-araw-araw buhay, to be entertained, so, halo-halong information ang hinahatid ng Rise and Shine Pilipinas. So, buksan lang ninyong telebisyon, alas 6 hanggang alas 8, Monday to Friday, TV Channel 4.
Thank you po.
Lagi mo pagsuporta sa Rise and Shine Pilipinas. 10 years na ako pero alam kong bakit ang kakain ng bigas. Tuloy-tuloy ang pagkain ng maraming bigas pero mas marami mong natutuwa.
Tama ka naman. And once again, congratulations po for achieving this awards po. And for coming tonight.
Thank you.
Yan lang po po. Thank you po.